is Aina from TrueSight, and today we're going to review the most stylish and newly launched mobile OnePlus Nord, which is in the range of $320 to $400. That comes around 24 to 30k in Indian currency. OnePlus Nord comes in 3 RAM variations, which is 6, 8 and 12GB, with the maximum internal storage of 256GB. It also has Snapdragon 765G chipset with octa-core processor that tells a lot about its smooth functioning. If I talk about its unboxing, that is very aesthetically done and the box looks super stylish and cool. You'll get to see pretty secure silicone case with 30-watt super fast charger, USB Type-C 2.0 with few instruction sets, OnePlus Nord sticker, and what else? Yes, there is no headphone jack, so music lovers gonna miss this badly. Coming to its body, it is of plastic rather than metal, but it yet gives super glossy look. The buttons are of metal and the phone is covered with the hard Gorilla Glass 5 to protect it from any damage. The display on the phone is 6.44 inches, a AMOLED panel with the refreshing rate of 90 Hz. It is also rated to provide 408 ppi pixel density with the aspect ratio of 20:9. Coming to its front section, it has dual camera of 32 megapixel and 8 megapixel. 32 megapixel is the main wide camera and the 8 megapixel is ultra wide lens. We'll see the pics later in this video. To its bottom section, it has one speaker, one USB port, and headphone jack is missing as I've mentioned earlier, and there is no stereo speaker as it's present in OnePlus 8. On its back, it has a powerful quad camera of 48 megapixel, 8, 5 and 2 megapixel. 48 megapixel is a main wide lens, 8 is ultra wide, 5 is depth and 2 is a macro lens. We'll show you the pics of all the lenses together later in the video, so please stay tuned with us. Most important, as a mid-range phone, this has an optical image stabilization as a very additional feature to the camera that no mobile will give you in this cost. The video resolution is 4K at the rate 30 fps to 1080p at the rate 30, 60 to 40 fps. You can switch your resolution as per your requirements. So in short, I like the images, but then I felt like there are little distortion in the images. Moreover, the macro lens is not that great, but then OnePlus is working on the improvements, and as OnePlus is known to day-to-day regular updates, it will surely work on the macro lens improvement. OnePlus has a similar flagship model OnePlus 8, which has the likewise features as in OnePlus Nord. Both has the same camera specifications, NFC, 5G support and same 90 Hz refreshing rate. But then there are few differences, like OnePlus Nord has a Snapdragon 765G chipset and OnePlus 8 has 865G chipset. In case of GPU, OnePlus Nord has 620 Adreno and OnePlus 8 has Adreno 650. If I talk about the displays, OnePlus Nord has 6.44 inches display and OnePlus 8 has 6.55 inches display. But then, the price plays a huge role in both the models. The starting price of OnePlus Nord is $320 and the starting price of OnePlus 8 is $560. So if you're okay with all the differences that I've mentioned earlier, that you could certainly plan to buy OnePlus Nord in such an efficient cost. Talking about its functioning, OnePlus Nord has been my daily driver for last 10 days. And let me give you an honest review, it's really smooth and fast. Fingerprint sensor and face unlock sensors are really smooth. Thanks to Oxygen OS, literally no delays. OnePlus Nord does not give junk apps, which I really like the most, and it has a 90 Hz refreshing rate, which makes browsing experience and watching videos super smooth. Moreover, it has a lot of customizations in settings which you can do and plenty of options to choose and change ambient displays and fingerprint displays and so on. The battery of OnePlus Nord is undetachable and it's a 4115 mAh that can sustain more than a day if you do not use it much. If I talk about its battery charging time, it gives you 70 to 80% of charge for half an hour charging. That's because of the 30-watt super fast charger OnePlus Nord gives to its customers. If I'm engaged so much with my mobile watching videos or playing games, it would give me half a day of battery life. According to me, streaming online videos, playing games take much more battery life rather than doing other activities on phone, such as spending time on social media apps, net surfing, etc. So now the question is it worth buying? Does it give you a premium experience? Well, OnePlus Nord has a super glossy look, curved body and lightweight. It has a similar features like OnePlus 8, except few. like Snapdragon chipset, GPU, metal body, that won't be bringing much changes, I felt. The rear camera has a video resolution of 2400 by 180, which is pretty good and crystal clear. Now if I talk about the camera, I felt like there is disturbance in the images if taken inside. But overall, the performance is good and it has a smooth functioning. So if you feel like these all differences are menial to you and the cost suits your requirement, then you can go ahead and purchase it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please share, subscribe and like our channel, and do press the bell icon for all the updates.